Taking a quiz and need to work out a problem? Click Open Scratchpad to get a digital workspace without leaving your test. Your Scratchpad appears right next to your questions. You can use drawing tools or simply jot down notes as you work. Use the pen tool on the freehand canvas to sketch diagrams or solve equations. You can undo, erase, or change colors. To make your notes pop, click the Color button to open the picker and choose a new shade for your pen. Each question gets its own workspace. Just click a question tab, like Q3, to jump to a clean canvas for that problem. Prefer typing? Use the Typed Notes field. When you're done, you can click Hide to focus back on the quiz questions. Once you've answered everything, select your confidence level and click Submit. Your Scratch notes are saved with your attempt. After submitting, you can review your work. Click View My Scratch Notes to see the notes you saved for each question. Toggle between question tabs like Q3 to see how you solved them. This is a great way to learn from your own work.